In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Uber Eats as a restaurant. If you've been considering partnering with Uber Eats to expand your delivery options, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process to get you up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Uber Eats merchant website. You'll find a link that says Get Started. Click on that and you'll be directed to a form where you'll need to fill out some initial information about yourself. This is your entry point into the world of Uber Eats delivery. The form will ask for standard business information, so make sure you have details about your restaurant on hand. Once you've completed that, you'll move on to a second form. This part will delve a little deeper into the specifics of your restaurant. You'll enter details such as your restaurant name, address, and contact information. It's an essential step because Uber Eats needs to know where you're located and how to get in touch. Make sure to double check the accuracy of your input, as this information will be crucial for future correspondence and setup. After you've filled out the details of your restaurant, there's one more small but important task to complete on the form. You'll see a checkbox that asks you to confirm you're not a robot. It's a standard security feature to ensure you're a real person. So go ahead and check that box, then simply click the Submit button to send your application off to Uber Eats. Now, you might be wondering what happens next. Once your application has been submitted, you don't need to do anything else immediately. Uber Eats will review the details you've provided and they'll be in touch with you soon after. Keep an eye on your email and phone because you'll receive communication that will guide you through the next steps. In summary, joining Uber Eats as a restaurant is quite straightforward. You'll start by filling out some basic information online, then detail your restaurant specifics, confirm your submission, and look forward to being contacted by the Uber Eats team. This process helps ensure that only valid and prepared restaurants join their platform, maintaining a high-quality experience for customers. Remember, patience is key here. While you might be eager to start seeing those delivery orders rolling in, it's important to wait for clear instructions from Uber Eats on what you need to do next. Keep your lines of communication open and ensure you can quickly respond to any requests or further documentation they might require. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on joining Uber Eats as a restaurant. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to expanding your restaurant's reach with Uber Eats.